Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be teaching you standard 8th chapter number 5 expansion of formulae. In expansion of formulae today we will see practice set 5.3, but before starting 5.3 I will explain you how to solve 5.3. Look at the board please. See, expansion of bracket a minus b bracket complete cube. So first we will copy the question as it is. Yes. Now this cube I will give to the first term. There are two terms, right? First term is a, second term is b. So first I will give this cube to the first term. So what is first term here? A cube. Sign is minus. Okay, sign is minus. Now you will give this cube to both the terms in the multiplication form, but first term will carry the square. See how? 3 multiplied by first term will carry the square, multiply by second term b. Okay, 3 multiplied by first term square multiply by second term. Then you will do here plus. Okay, you will do here plus. Now like the same you will write, but second term will carry the square. Okay, second term will carry the square. See, 3 multiplied by first term multiplied by square of second term minus, in beginning will be minus and in the end will be minus, second term cube. Okay, second term cube. I hope you understood how to solve this. First you will give this cube to the first term, sign is of minus. Then you will give this cube in the multiplication form to both the terms. How? 3 multiplied by square of first term multiplied by second term plus 3 multiplied by first term multiplied by square of second term minus cube of second term. Is it clear? Here first in the beginning will be minus or in the end it will be minus. So now you will solve this. A cube means how much? A cube minus 3 multiplied by a square means how much? A square multiplied by b plus 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b square means b square minus b cube means b cube. Is it clear? So now you will solve this. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is how you have to solve practice set 5.3. Very simple, very easy, as like this only we had solved the previous exercise 5.2, but in that a plus b cube was there and here a minus b cube is there. Only in the beginning it will be minus or at the end it will be minus. Okay, now see, we will start practice set. Now we will start practice set 5.3. Question number 1. Question number 1 is what? Expand. Okay, expand, and the first one is bracket 2m minus 5 cube, bracket 2m minus 5 bracket cube. Is it clear? How to solve first? You will copy the question as it is, 2m minus 5 bracket cube. Okay, there are how many terms? This is first term, this is second term. First we will give this cube to the first term. Okay, first term is 2m cube. Okay, sign is minus. Then you will give this cube to both the terms in the multiplication form. See, 3 multiplied by square of first term, square of first term square, multiply by second term 5. Is it clear? Now plus, same you will copy. See, 3 multiplied by 2m multiplied by, now here second term will be carrying square. Okay, 3 multiplied by first term multiplied by square of second term. Then last minus. In the beginning it will be minus or at the end it will be minus. Second term is what? 5 cube. 5 cube. Okay. Now you will solve this. 2 cube. Cube of 2 is what? 8. M cube is what? M cube. Minus 3 as it is. 2 square is 4. M square is M square. Multiply 5 as it is. Plus 3 and 2 6m. Okay, 3 2s are 6m. Multiply by 5 square is how much? 25. 5 cube is how much? 125. Okay, Now you will solve it further. 8m cube minus, now you will multiply this 3 to 4. 3 4s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. Is it clear? 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 m square plus, now 6 multiplied to 25. 25 6s are 150. 150 and m, okay, minus 125. Is it clear? Every term is a unlike term, so this will not further be solved. Finish. Your answer is finished now. Do you understand how to solve this? Okay, now we will see the second question. It is bracket 4 minus p cube. 4 minus p cube. What you will do? First you will copy the question as it is, 4 minus p bracket cube. Now what you will do? Tell me. This cube you will give to the first term. First term is what? 4 cube. Sign minus. Now you will give this cube to both the terms in the multiplication form, but first term will carry square. 3 multiplied by first term square multiplied by second term plus. Now same you will copy 3 multiplied by 4, but here second term will carry the square. Is it clear? Minus. In the beginning it will be minus, at the end it will be minus. Second term is what? P cube. Is it clear? Now we will solve. What is the cube of 4? 64. 64 minus 3 multiply 4 square 16 multiplied by p plus 3 as it is, 4 as it is, p square minus p cube. Is it clear? So simple, right? So 64 minus, you will multiply this, 16 3s are 48, 48p plus 3 4s are 12p square minus p cube. So now in this you can see all the terms are unlike terms. So we will stop the answer here. Is it clear? Now we will see the third question, 7x minus 9y bracket cube. Now you have to solve this. First you will copy the question as it is, 7x minus 9y bracket cube. Give this cube to the first term. First term is what? 7x cube. Sign minus. Now you will give this cube to both the terms in the multiplication form. 3 multiplied by square of first term multiplied by second term. Okay. Plus same you will carry here, 3 multiplied by 7x. But now second term will carry the square minus cube of second term. Is it clear? Very simple, very easy. Now what is the cube of 7? 343 x cube minus 3 7 square 49 x square multiplied by 9y plus 3 7s are 21x, 3 7s are 21x multiplied by 9 square 81 y square 9 cube is 729 y cube. Is it clear? 729 y cube. Okay. Now see how to solve. 343 x cube minus, you will multiply this. This is very easy. First you will multiply this to this. This is 3 9s are 27 y multiplied by 49 x square plus 21 will multiply to 81. So multiply 21 will multiply to 81. 1 1s are 1, 8 1s are 8 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 1 10 7 1. So answer is 1701 x y square minus 729 y cube. Okay. Is it clear? Now you will multiply here to this term 343 x cube minus, you will multiply this now. 49 will multiply to 27. 7 9s are 63. 7 4s are 28. 28 and 6 34. Now 2 9s are 18. Carry 1. 2 4s are 8 and 1 9. 3 12. 10 and 13. 1, 3, 2, 3. X square y plus 1701 xy square minus 729 y cube. Finish the answer. Is it clear? I hope you understood. It is very easy. Now we will see the next question. Look at the board please. Practice set 5.3 question number 1. It's question number 4. Okay. So now see here it is 58 bracket cube. My dear students, like this question also we had solved in 5.2. 58 is a monomial term. Only one term is there. But we have solved before two terms, that is binomial terms. Look at here. First we have to convert this 58 into 2, that is binomial term. Okay. So 58 is close to which number? 60 or 50? 58 is closer to which number? 60 or 50? It is closer to 60. Therefore, we will use 60 minus 2. Look at here. This 58 will convert into 60 minus 2 bracket cube. Okay. Then we will take the question. Now it is 60. Okay. 60 minus 2 bracket cube. Do you understand how to solve this? Now as we have solved the previous questions, give this cube to the first term, that is 60 cube, minus give this cube to both the terms in the multiplication form. 3 multiplied by first term square of the first term multiplied by second term, plus, okay, now you will give again, you will write the same 3 multiplied by 60, but now you will give square to the second term. Okay, then we will write here minus. First, in the beginning also it will be minus, or at the end also it will be minus. What is the second term here? 2 cube. Easy. Now you will solve here. Don't worry, don't think about 60, think about 6. 6 cube is how much? What is the cube of 6? 5. 216, right? 216. Then what is the cube of 1 0? 3 zeros. Is it clear? Simple. Think simple. Don't make it hard. Now minus 3 as it is. What is the square of 6? 36. What is the square of 1 0? 20. Make it simple. Okay. It is only a logic. Yes, it is only a logic. Okay. Make it very easy to solve. Okay. Now plus this 3 will multiply to this. 3 6 are 18 and 0. 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. Okay, so now I will do the further solution. Now this will multiply this 3 2s are 6. See, 3 2s are 6 multiply by 3600 plus 4 zeros are 0, 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4 and 3 7. Okay, it is 720 minus 8. Now this is to be solved. So you will write 216,000 minus 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. So like this you have to multiply. Then 720 minus 8. Okay. Now what you will do here, my dear students, like term, this is positive, this is positive. You take them together. This is like term, this is positive term, this is positive term. So what I will do here, 216000 plus 720 minus this 21600 minus 8. Is it clear? Now what I will do here, the addition of this 0 and 0 0, 0 and 2 2, 0 and 7 7, 6 1 2 1 6. Okay, minus addition of number, that is 21608. Now you will solve this, you will subtract this, alongside also you can take, no problem. See, it is 10 minus 8 2, 1 minus 0 1, 7 1, 6 1 5. Okay, this is 11, this is 1. So 11 2 9 and this is 1. So answer is 195112. Is it clear? This is how you have to solve. It is very simple, very easy. Here first what you will do, like terms you will take together, and then this is also like terms, and then you will solve the further steps. I hope you understood here. See here, we will see question number 5th, that is 198 bracket cube. So it is monomial, but we will convert this into binomial terms. Okay, it means 198 is close to which number? 200 or 190? It is close to 200. So 200 minus 2. We will do it. 2, we will convert this into 200 minus 2 bracket cube. Okay, now I will write this term. See, 200 minus 2 bracket cube. Okay, I hope you understood. Now what you will do, you will give this cube to the first term. First term is 200 cube, sign minus. Give this cube to both the terms in the multiplication form, but first term will carry square, multiply by second term, plus the same you will multiply here, but now the second term will carry the square, minus second term cube. Is it clear? Very simple, very easy. Now you will, don't think about 200, think about 2. 2 cube is what? 8, and 2 0 cube, 2 0 2 0 2 0, 3 times, 1 2 3. Is it clear? Make it logically. Okay, think logically, make it very fast, very quick to understand. Now this is minus. Now you will write 3 as it is. 2 square 4, but 2 0 square 2 0 2 0 means twice 2 0. Is it clear? Very simple. Now multiply by 2. Okay, plus 3 2s are 6, 2 4, 2 square is 4, minus 2 cube is 8. Very simple. Now what you will do here? 8 0 0 0 0 0 minus 3 2s are, I will multiply this to this, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, multiply by 4 0 0 0 0, plus 6 4s are 24 and 2 0, minus 8. So my dear students, very simple, the calculations are there only, you have to calculate. 6 4s are 24, 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0. Is it clear? You will multiply 6 to 4, very easy. Now this is as it is, 2400 minus 8. Now this is positive term, this is positive term. See, they both are like terms. So like terms take together. 8000000 plus 2400. Okay, the like terms. What remain? This minus 240000 minus 8. They both are like term, they both are like term. So now you will solve this, the addition of this 0000220. Okay, 404 202 008. Okay, very simple. The horizontal addition you can do it very easily, otherwise you can solve beside and you can write, very easy. Now see, this is minus, this is also minus, so minus minus minus, number the addition. Okay, addition of number, so it is 240008. Is it clear? Now you will solve this. Okay, you will, it is 0042008. Now here it is 80042. Okay, now you will subtract. See here, this is 10, this is also 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. It is 10. Okay. So 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 2, it is 7. And it will be 7. So it is 77, 6. Okay, you will write it over here. 7, 7, 6, 2, 3, 9, 2. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so this is the answer. This is how you have to solve this kind of questions. Only you should know how to multiply and how to do addition of like terms and subtraction of like terms. Further, it is very easy to solve. Now we will see 6th and 8th question. 7th question will be homework to you. Okay, it is very simple. Look at the board, please. First, I will copy the question as it is, 2p minus 1 upon 2p bracket cube. Then what you will do? Give this cube to the first term. See, first term is 2p cube minus, sign is of minus. Then give this cube to both the terms. 3 multiplied by, but first term will carry square. Square of first term multiplied by 1 upon 2p, second term. Plus, now same you will copy here. You will write 3 multiplied by 2p multiply. Now you will give square to the second term. Okay, then minus n cube of the second term. Cube of 1 upon 2p. Is it clear? Very simple. Now you will solve this. 2 cube 8. P cube p cube minus 3 as it is. 2 square 4. P square multiply by 1 upon 2p. My dear student, this will get cancelled. Okay, see it will get cancelled. Now plus 3 multiplied by 2p multiplied by 1 square 1 only, 2 square is 4 and p square is p square. Is it clear? Minus 1 cube is 1 only, 2 cube is 8 and p cube is p cube. This is separate, this is different term. Okay, now here you will divide. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This 1p will, here 2p are there, so 1p will get cancelled. Okay, now here also 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so this p, here is 1p, here 2p, so 1p will cancel. Is it clear? Like this you will solve. So this will be 8p cube minus 3 twos are 6 and this p, 6p plus 3 ones are 3 upon 2p. See, 3 ones are 3 and this is 2p. Is it clear? Minus 1 upon 8p cube. I hope you understood. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Here p twice. So 1p will get cancelled. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 1p here 2p, 1p will get cancelled. So what will remain? 3 ones are 3. See, 3 ones are 3 and here 2p left. Okay, and this is the different term. Like this you will solve this. Question number 6, very easy. I hope you understood. Question number 7 will be homework to you. 7 homework. Okay, so 7th one you will solve as a homework. Now please see how to solve this question number 8. Okay, first you will copy the question as it is. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube. Okay, now give this cube to the first term. First term is x upon 3 bracket cube. Sign minus. Give this cube to both the terms in the multiplication form, but the first term will carry the square. Multiply by second term. The second term is 3 upon x. Okay, then you will write here plus. The same you will copy 3 multiplied by x upon 3, but here second term will carry the square. Okay, minus, beginning minus, at the end also minus. So cube of 3 upon x, second term ka cube. Is it clear? It is very easy. Now you have to solve this. X cube. 3 cube is what? How much? 27. Minus 3 as it is x cube x square. 3 square is 9. Multiply by 3 upon x plus. This will get cancelled. Okay. See, you will cancel later on. First you write it down. 3 multiplied by x upon 3 multiply by 3 square is 9, x square is x square, minus 3 cube is 27, x cube is x cube. Okay, now you will cut. See, this is easily can divide. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Here also 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now here 1x, here 2x. See, here it is 1x, here it is 2x. It will get cancelled. What will remain? X cube upon 27 minus 3, as 3 ones are 3. Now here mx is left over from here, 3x. What is left from down? Only 3. Okay. So now plus, see this, what is left over from here? 3 and 3. 3 threes are 9. And here what is left? Only x. Minus 27 upon x cube. This will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. Yes. So what is left over? X cube upon 27 minus x plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. So like this you have to solve these two binomial bracket cube. Is it clear? It is very simple, very easy. Question number 7 is homework to you. Best of luck and thank you so much.